What's up everyone, Brad here with the Money Dad channel. In this video I want to go over a stock that I bought this morning and the reason why. The stock ticker is CAN, it's on the screen here, and basically this company is a Bitcoin mining rig builder. They build, they manufacture mining equipment, Bitcoin mining equipment, cryptocurrency mining equipment, and then they sell it to whoever is willing to purchase that stuff, right? So with the crazy run up in Bitcoin prices and all the cryptocurrency prices lately, everybody getting into mining Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, this company has just done extremely well over the last 6 to 9 months. Their orders for these mining rigs, this mining equipment has gone through the roof. So their outlook is just a lot better than it was in 2019 and even the first half of 2020 when Bitcoin was kind of starting to come back around. So this chart looks absolutely beautiful. That's the big reason why I bought it. And TradingView and Bar Chart both agree. They've got TradingView has a technical rating of strong buy. And then over at Bar Chart, they have a strong buy rating as well. Bar Chart technical opinion rating is a 100% buy and ranks in the top 1% of all short-term signal directions. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. The market is approaching overbought territory. Be watchful of a trend reversal. So they have a top 1% rating for short-term, and long-term also fully supports the trend. And then they're just saying, hey, look, we're getting a little overbought, so be a little wary here. And this RSI indicator is curling up, so that is what I look at for overbought or oversold. So we haven't quite reached overbought yet, in my opinion. We are getting there. It looks like we're heading in that direction, but we're not there yet. I do think that there is a steep run-up in price coming on this stock soon. That's why I bought into it this morning. I'm looking for a quick trade here, major gains, and when this gets up to overbought will probably be the time where I'm looking to sell. So I'm just looking to get in and get out with a big gain here in a short amount of time. And I'm going to show you the pattern here that's shaping up that I am playing. So let's back up on this chart a little bit just to show you like how pretty this chart is over the last 9 months or so. It was pretty flat down here in that $1 to $2 range, and then you had this big spike up in price when Bitcoin started running up. Right? This is the company that makes the equipment that mines Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, or one of the primary companies anyway. So as Bitcoin goes up, there's going to be demand for mining it. So there's going to be demand for mining equipment. So you have this big run up in Canaan, and then a little consolidation phase right here. Another big run up, a little consolidation phase. And look at the volume, by the way, is playing the part. Big run up in volume as you get these big run up in price, and then volume dies off as you consolidate. You get a big spike in volume for another big spike in price, and then we consolidate as volume decreases, right? And then you have another huge run up in price and huge spike in volume. So volume is really telling the story here that this all looks to be legit. It is a very pretty chart. This is the kind of stuff that traders, or at least myself, I look for when I'm looking for the next company that I want to enter a trade in. And now we are setting up for another trade or another run up in price, and volume picked up as well. So I'll be curious to see if volume continues to be high. We're a couple hours into this trading day and volume is a little lower than I would like it to be right now. So that is interesting. But there's two patterns on this chart that I am looking at right now. One in kind of the medium term range and one in the very short term range. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. You've got this kind of channel that this company was in while it was consolidating. It's a pretty horizontal looking channel right here after this run up, right? It's not a bull flag, it's not a bull pennant, it's just kind of this sideways chopping channel. So we're not going to use the flagpole as the price target for this one. We're going to use the height of this channel, and I measured it out earlier and it came out to be about $10 if I'm not mistaken. So you take the height of the channel, it should be about 10 bucks, yeah, give or take, and then you add that to the top of the channel wherever you break out to get your price target. So if you think this is our breakout, you add 10 bucks right here to this 24.50 range, and you should get about 35.50 range. Let's see, 34.50. Wow, because math is so hard. I don't know how to add literally $10 to something. That's what happens when you make videos with no edits, guys. You have your easy math out there for everybody to make fun of you on. So that's what I've got for this little consolidation phase right here, is that 34.50 price target. Now there is another small pattern that is playing out in the very short term, and we'll bounce down into the 15-minute for that one. You can see with this breakout, we've got this little bull pennant action going on right here, and that's what I was kind of tracking today, and what that was the last thing I needed to see to confirm my buy here. We have this little bull pennant action going on here. You can see that little wedge pattern, and that also projects to a pretty nice price target here. Let's go ahead and get our price target right now. I haven't done this one yet, so let's see what it comes out to. Looks like that one's going to project out to $43.65. So pretty nice projection here, targeting $43.65 on this bull pennant. The consolidation channel was targeting 34, so a little bit more conservative on that one. I'll probably take profits at 34 and let a little bit more of it ride all the way up to this higher price target, because we might not get all the way up to that one, so it'd be nice to lock in some profits a little bit earlier on in the trade, just in case. Want to walk away with something from this trade, right? Especially when we have two nice looking patterns pointing to the upside. Definitely don't want to be walking away from this trade with nothing, so we'll take some profits early on and lock in some gains. So pretty good day in the market overall so far, guys. We've had a great day in the market over the last few days. I hope everybody is in the green this week and doing well. That's what I've got for Canaan, or CAN, stock ticker CAN. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got some value out of it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. I do stock chart pattern analysis, so if you like that kind of stuff, come along for the ride. We trade these patterns. We've been making some money, so come along for the ride on that one, guys. And if you're not a channel member yet, please consider hitting that join button. It's $2.99 a month. Helps my channel out, helps me out, helps my family out, and you get access to my trades in near real time. I post them to YouTube community posts whenever I'm thinking about buying or selling a trade. Okay, that's all I got, guys. Thanks. Bye.